You see us now? You can't see us. Good. Why did you celebrate? Maybe some people, maybe some people celebrate that he didn't blow up the parliament, and some people celebrate that he attempted to, because it depends what they were supporting. I think now with fireworks, because that's what was happening, isn't it? Oh yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, there's a style there.
It doesn't make my head hurt.
It's a cool fire, isn't it, Oliver? Wow.